So do y'all remember this? Asked on Facebook to explain how to invest in the stock market, and I utilized talking about bundles of hair because I was wearing the bundles, child. So when I mentioned that commentary about that, I started out talking about finance with the bundle wig of comparison to investing, and I got commentary saying, "Hey sis, can you give us the rundown?" It was in a Facebook post. I'm gonna break it down to you like this: the wig or the units, like your portfolio. If you a wig girl, you get it. You can have different type of wigs for different type of things. My pastor even says this. So you got a wig for with your brokerage account, like regular brokerage account. You're gonna have that wig for, all right, it's good for right now, but I want it to last a bit longer. And then you're gonna have the like that's your secure wig, like this thing gonna last a couple of years. That's gonna be like your IRA, no matter if it's a Roth or traditional. And you might even have a portfolio with crypto, like you want to be fun, you want to go to this club, it's not gonna last longer, or you're gonna have to run it up, get a lick. That's going to be your crypto portfolio. I'm crazy doing this. So when it comes to what you're putting on the foundation, you got to have the braids together, the whip cap and all that. These are going to be like your financial goals. So when you have financial goals, you'll be able to figure out, this is the type of wig I want to have for this. This is the type of wig I want to have for that. This is what I'm for long term. So I say financial goals is usually 1 to 3 years, right? So that this type of foundation you have for that 1 to 3 year portfolio or a regular brokerage account is going to be one thing. The type of foundation that you want to last a long time is going to be for your IRA, no matter if it's Roth or traditional, and that's what you're going to have that for. Then you have it for crypto. I don't want to get Bitcoin or whatever and run up and get out. That you're going to have pretty much like a 32-piece wigs. That's what I mean by that. So the way that you will look at the stocks, the types of stocks that you're going to buy, no matter if it's for a regular brokerage account, your IRA, crypto, or whatever, it's going to be on your bundles. Your bundles could either be like what we see with stocks, bonds, ETFs, or index funds. What my opinion when it comes to like ETF and index funds, those are like the quality long-term bundles that's going to last better into their IRA. When it comes to like regular little funds that might be IPOing or what they're not really showing and they're not good for growing, those are going to probably be like the bundles that you're going to get that are going to be cheap. When it comes to bonds, those are going to be ones that they're going to be good, but you probably can like make it last a little bit depending on how the type of wig that you build. So that's how I mean when it comes to the bundles of it all. Certain stocks will be bundles that you'll have for right then. Some stocks and bonds and ETFs and index funds will be bundles that are going to last. So the styling of your wig is critical depending on your portfolio, the bundles, and then how you got the foundation and you really envision this wig to be. So say, for instance, if you have an IRA, your IRA has some bundles with like ETF like VOO, a bit of Microsoft, a bond or two, and I already know that these are going to be lasting for a while, and you got it longer luxury. So you come a couple years later and you say, I want to trim and shape it over time and make it look a little different because you're growing up and you want a little spicy. So you're going to add that into it. You might add some other funds that you research into other bundles that you say, let me add on to this wig. So that's the way that I explained it years ago, talking about utilizing your wigs to view how you invest in the stock market. I hope this helps. That's it.